Talal from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, nowadays I started to get the doubt in Salah. So so that is as follows. Like today when I was praying Fajr prayer. So in sujood, when I just moved a little bit and I thought that I was moving to get up from the sujood position without completing Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. And also when I'm in the ruku' position, when I get up, so I get this doubt, maybe I got up early before saying Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. And this happens in almost every prayer. So Shaykh, what should I do? Barakallahu feekum.
First of all, you must not lead people, you must not lead others in prayer until you master your prayer so that you won't cause any scenes or problems for those praying behind you. When a person is overwhelmed by the whispers of shaitan till he's at the brink of insanity, he doesn't know, oh, did I make wudu or not? Oh, did I prostrate or not? Did I say Subhana Rabbil A'la or not? Is it morning? Is it evening? What am I praying? What am I doing? Am I a man or a woman? Trans people usually think like that. May Allah protect us. So what is this? This is insanity. You have to draw the line, akhi. Now, you may think that these are legitimate doubts and part of fearing Allah and wanting to please Allah. I have to struggle and find the answer. No, that's not. You're totally off track. If you ask yourself a direct question, is Allah pleased or angry when you're like this? The answer is Allah is angry. Is Satan pleased or angry when you're like this? The answer is Satan is pleased and happy. You're obeying him. So where is your claim that I'm doing this and this overthinking is because I fear Allah? You don't fear Allah. Allah is angry with you. And you'll go to hell if you continue to do this. So this is an eye-opener. This is what we do. The way our therapy is not to try to pamper you or sugarcoat things. No, it's to open your eyes and show you this is the route that's taking you to hellfire. And this is when you will stop and say, whoa, I don't want to go to hell. I want to continue to memorize the Quran, to be an imam, to lead the people in salat. Fix it. Man up. But if you continue like this, oh Sheikh, if I breathe and I take 3 breaths in less than 10 seconds, would that invalidate my prayer or not? This is crazy. And you have to find a solution for this. No one could help you except yourself, seeking the help of Allah Azza wa Jal in the beginning and in the end. Otherwise, no human can take your hand. You're an adult, akhi.